I'm a big believer in you have to have an open mind,
Yeah.
right?
Oh,
Because
absolutely.
you're here for a reason.
Yeah, well, exactly. And then some of these are, it's going to be uncomfortable, but any change is a little uncomfortable in the beginning as we learn to understand it better. And then in many cases, it turns to be of a benefit to us, right? And then you forget about the old way and like, oh, I can't even believe that we used to do it this way, right? So, but it's great that things are changing, and it sounds like it's targeting areas of concern that have continued to pop up, likely with RICO in the last however many years. And it sounds like it could be a positive, right? It's not necessarily a negative from what it sounds like so far.
The one thing I think from me being in the business for so long, I mean, we all get into a habit of doing business a certain way, and it does become your comfort zone. Absolutely, right? We're used to doing offer presentations a certain way. We're used to, having our own way with the buyer rep. Everybody does it a little different, but we all know that we have to get this signed at the very minimum at the point of an offer. And we don't like change, that's for sure. And I understand it, but many of us, when the market was really crazy, witnessed firsthand how some realtors were operating. And I think if you take a step back and go, okay, well, this, and this I know happened this year, then you can kind of have a little bit of a better understanding as to maybe why the act has changed in order to deal with certain situations a lot better.